Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Melanie and I'm a financial analyst, and I do videos on side hustles, entrepreneurship, passive income, you name it, all the fun financial stuff. If you like content like this, please subscribe, click the bell notification, and do all of those things so that you're notified when I upload another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about weird side hustles. So I have a video about side hustles and I will link that here, but today's video is weird side hustles. So let's get into the video. Number one, play bingo for cash. So there's a lot of gaming apps where you can play for cash, but you can do this one on your phone, in your free time, on your break, whatever. If you go to bingoclash.com, you can play bingo for cash. So the first level is like the prize is worth like $1, and then you go up from there. And the more levels that you move up, the more money you earn. And they don't give you like gift cards to different businesses. They actually pay cash. So they'll send you the cash through your PayPal account, and your winnings are collected there, and then you deposit them into your bank account. Number two, when I found out about this one, I was kind of intrigued because this is more like a science-based one, but they do pay people to donate their poop. So this sounds weird, but they need to do research and things like that. So they'll pay people $50 a deposit to donate their poop, and you can do it on site. Some people have you mail it in. So if you go to poopwithapurpose.com, you can find out more about how to donate your poop, or you can go to Open Biome. Number three, bridesmaids for hire. So how many times have you been invited to a wedding where it's a destination wedding and you can't get off work and you can't go? Or how many times have you seen those huge weddings where the bride has like 15 bridesmaids? I don't know 15 people that are able to take off all at once that I'm close enough to that I would invite to be a bridesmaid at my wedding. So this site allows you to basically hire a bridesmaid who can take off for that destination wedding, or who can be the 15th bridesmaid in your bridesmaids series of wedding panel people. This could be a really fun side hustle because you get to go to weddings and you get to be paid to go to weddings, and who doesn't want to go to a party for free and be paid? According to psychcentral.com, most Americans only have 3 close friends. So when you see these huge weddings where there's 10 and 15 and so on bridesmaids, that is not the normal wedding party. But I'm not talking about friends that you just kind of see. I'm not talking about friends like Facebook friends. I'm talking about like real friends that you see on a weekly or monthly basis that are your actual friends that you know. Americans have most of the time 3 close friends. So if you are looking to go to a wedding for free, have a party, and meet some cool people, then go to bridesmaidsforhire.com. Number 4, receipt cash apps. So I have a few of these. You can go to CoinOut or Fetch Rewards. These are the most popular. These apps pay you for just taking a picture of your receipt, and then they give you points based on what you bought on your receipt. And I know Fetch Rewards gives you 25 points per receipt if you don't have anything on your receipt that's worth more than that. So you're going to buy stuff anyway. You're going to get a receipt for it, and you're probably going to just throw it away. But before you do that, get the Fetch Rewards app or get the CoinOut app and take a picture of it and then get some points. It pays you gift cards through Starbucks, Dunkin', Chipotle, Ulta. They have a whole thing of businesses that they can give you a gift card to. And CoinOut pays your PayPal. So they pay you cash and they send it to your PayPal. But this is a quick and easy side hustle that you can just do on the go because everybody has receipts. Number 5, get paid for your junk mail. So nobody likes junk mail. Everybody just takes it, throws it away. Most people don't even look at it. I don't look at it. Smallbusinessknowledge.com, they will pay you for their junk mail because they are researching junk mail. So go to smallbusinessknowledge.com and figure out how you can get paid for all that junk mail that you usually throw away. Number 6, a dating profile reviewer. Yes, this is an actual job, but this is a side hustle that you can do in your free time. This is a weird side hustle that you can do on your free time. So if you go to the job board sites like Fiverr and Upwork and all those sites, you can market yourself as a dating profile reviewer. So most dating profile reviewer, the average is between $70 and $250 to do one profile. So if you're doing 5 or 6 profiles a week, then that's a good little chunk of money. So what you do is you review the person's dating profile, you rewrite it to make it more attractive. Some reviewers are even photographers, so you'll make a little bit more money if you're a photographer. You can give them new pictures and you can rewrite their dating profile, and then they'll pay you for those. This is something that you can do in addition to any other side hustle, because it doesn't really take that long to rewrite somebody's dating profile for them or go and take their pictures and edit the pictures. So number 7, micro grower. What is a micro grower? You can grow any kind of herbs from broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, mustard, chia, sunflower, buckwheat, any type of small herb you can grow somewhere in your house if you have the space and if you have the space for lights, and then you can sell those microgreens. On average, most micro growers make about $2,000 a month selling their greens or selling their whatever they grow. Quick side hustle, but it's one of the weirder side hustles, because if you're into gardening, you can start growing microgreens and then start selling them and make some money. Number 8, house sitting. House sitting, I feel like it's really passive because you're just in somebody's house. You're not doing much of anything. Maybe you're feeding their animal or watering the plants, but other than that, you're not doing a lot for the dollars that they're paying you. On average, a house sitter's monthly salary is $6,183. This is a lot of money just to watch and take care of someone's house while they're gone. You might just be getting the mail, like I said, feeding the cats, walking the dog, watering the flowers. That's it. And there is your $6,000. This is a good position for somebody who can work from home. So you can just take your laptop over to the house that you're sitting, still make your money from your 9 to 5 or whatever it is, and then make that additional money for doing house sitting. So where can I find house sitting jobs? You can go to trustedhousesitters.com and start looking there and then apply there. Number 9, mukbang. So what is this? This became popular in South Korea first, and now it's popular here in the States. But what it is just eating a large quantity of food while you're being filmed. That is very weird, but people will watch those videos. And there even now are professional mukbangers, and they make upwards of $10,000 a month. This is a lot of money to film yourself eating food. So this is another weird side hustle that if this is what you like to do, you can start doing it. So number 10, this website I thought was fake, but it's real. It is called rentafriend.com. So what this is just what it sounds like. You rent a friend. If you don't have any friends in a new location that you move to, you want somebody to show you around town, you can go to rentafriend.com and rent somebody to be your friend and help you do this, or rent somebody to go to the movies with you. I don't know. But this is a really weird side hustle. If you have free time, then go and be a rent-a-friend. This seems like a really fun way to meet interesting people. If you like that kind of thing, if you like going out and meeting people, then I would go and do this as your side hustle. But make sure you go to a very public place with your new friend and stay in a public place with your new friend, so that just in case somebody's crazy, you know, nothing happens. So the last one, I know I said there was 10 tips, but this is a bonus tip. So if you stuck around to this point in the video, thank you. And this is the bonus weird side hustle. So do me a favor, put down in the comments something like popcorn to let me know that you stuck around this far in the video. Number 11 is Google opinion rewards. So Google needs your opinions in order to stay fast, improve their search time, improve their searches, and improve their response times. So you know that little time that comes up after you hit search? That's how many seconds it took Google to pull up all of those millions of search results for you. So Google opinion rewards is just surveys and you answering the questions, which helps them improve their search. And when you answer the questions, you get paid into your PayPal with your rewards. So that was my weirdest side hustles. If you thought one was particularly weirder than all the rest, put a comment down below. Let me know which one is the weirdest one on this list. And also let me know which one you guys are gonna try this year, because I know some side hustles are kind of boring, but they make money, and some like these are weird and they can be a little bit interesting. And if you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out my channel. And click the bell notifications so that I am notified. No, so that you are notified when I upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I am 4.5 months pregnant, and I am just trying to get my oxygen into my lungs and sit in a comfortable chair.